All right, so we just received this. It's called a COOLiFY Cyber Ultimate Wearable Air Conditioner. And this is the box that it comes in. And yeah, and the box is very substantial. It's heavy. Whoa. There it goes. We just unboxed it. All right, here it is. Wow, it looks really expensive. I mean, it's very well done, the packaging. Let's take a look at it. COOLiFY Cyber opens up. Here it is. Look at this thing. Check out the box that it comes in. Wow. All right, so it's got this case, a two-sided zipper, right? And here it is. Ooh, they're not fooling around with this thing, are they? All right, let's set the box that down. So this is it's wearable. Here's a USB-C port on it, and I'm just looking for the on button on it. Oh, look at these things right here. Maybe this is it. No, that's a flexor, so it goes around your neck. But this looks like it's super high tech. Oh, here it is. So we've got universal on button here, and this is, I think maybe that's how strong it is. So let's go ahead and press this, see what happens. Oh, look. Let's see if we can change that. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Wow, this thing is cold. This gets cold. You know what I mean? This gets really cold in here. Oh, wow, that's amazing. That is very interesting. So if you put your hand right here, it's super cold all the way through here. On the inside of this thing, let's press this and see if it's less cold. Wow, that's amazing. This is definitely going to cool you down. That is crazy. Oh, look at this. COOLiFY Cyber. Now what does it, can you connect the music to this? You get this cool, case, but I think under here there's some things that come with it, and let's take a look and see what they are. All right, so it does come with its own USB-C, and it's a little bit different. And you know what it is? It's USB-C to USB-C. So you need a USB-C charging block. All right, so you're gonna need that. I don't know if it comes with one. Let's set it over there. And this, I believe, are the directions. So anyway, here it is. If you want to, you can scan for warranty and support and stay cool. Set that there. And it's got a quick start guide. It's got safety guidelines. And it's got Bluetooth pairing guide. So apparently I can hook this to music. I don't know. We're gonna have to take a look at this and see what the story is. We're gonna have to read about it because this is really, this is a pretty amazing little thing. All right, I gotta try it on and see what I think. All right, so anyway, here's your device, right? You can see it flexes, so you can get it around your neck, right? And it's got controls right here. And this is the on button. So when you press this, you're gonna see this come on. All right, so you see it's got blue and 30, so that's cold, right? Over here, you're gonna see its logo. Let's see if you guys can see how it, oh yeah, that's the way you can see it, right? So then, if I come here and I press this again, watch. It goes higher. You can hear it. I can do it again, and that's the highest. So it's 100, right? Click it again, it goes off. Click it once, it's 30. Click it twice, I think it says 80. 3 times it's 100. If I go over here, I can change how cool it gets. It's less cool there. But then I've got to do this again if I want to go higher on that setting, right? If I come back to the setting, I click back, it always resets like that, okay? So let's go ahead and let's put it up full blast, right? When you put it on, you want this side down, right? You can feel a little bit of air, but the cool thing is it's super cold inside here. It's like ice cold, like ice. So when you put it on, your neck is just getting ice cold. Listen to that. And it's blowing my hair, you can see it. I mean, it's not super blowing, but man, you can definitely feel it. It feels good. So it does come with the USB-C. This USB-C that it comes with is 2 USB-Cs. So you're gonna need a USB-C charging block, for iPhone, to plug into the wall. I happen to have extra USB-Cs that I can charge it with, so that's no big deal. The USB-C port on this is right here. So let me go ahead and turn this off. All right, so I'm gonna press this and hold it, and it turns off. You hear the double beep. So now it's off, but it's super sleek looking. I mean, it's very nice. It's polished. It's a darn good looking piece of equipment. And it does come with its own carrying case. So here's your carrying case. So you can put it right in there, you know, when you're done with it. You know, if you don't want it to get all messed up, you just set her in there, and you got to set this part down. It just fits in there like that. And then you can also put your USB-C in there too, so that you have everything totally together. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Carry it with you or put it on your backpack. So if you're going on a plane, you got your own personal cooling device, which would come in handy because I was stuck on a plane on a tarmac with no AC, no power for an hour the other day, flying to Dallas. So anyway, I would say that this is a really good item. You should check it out and try it out. And especially for a personal cooling device. This is probably the best one I've ever seen or used. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.